Hi, my name is Anina and I am an illustrator.
Hi, I'm Suchi and you're watching Kids Draw with TTC.
Alright, so today we'll be using the Talking Canvas coaster painting kit. Right? Are you ready to unbox it?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want to unbox it first? Ooh! What's inside? Do you want to show the camera what's inside?
Yeah.
It's got paints. How many paints are there? Wow! And then it's got the color mixing guide. Yes?
Yeah.
So you know how to mix colors. Okay. And then what's this? It's an instructions. So we know how to do it. And then there is a
brush and a palette.
And there are 4 coasters.
4 coasters.
4 coasters. And then there is a practice sheet. So we can practice what we are drawing.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Ready to get painting?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to start painting now, and we're going to paint on these Talking Canvas coasters. So what do you feel like painting now, Suchi?
A queen bee.
A queen bee? Alright, so are you ready?
Yeah.
You have your pencil?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So first, I'm going to draw an oval shape like this. Can you draw an oval shape? A big oval shape. So cool. Good job. And now, let's do the wings. Do you want to do a little wing like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Awesome. Now, I'm going to draw a little curve like this. Can you do that? One there and one here. Awesome. And now let's give it a little
Stinger.
a stinger at the bottom. Cool. So do you want to have your bee with closed eyes or open eyes?
Close.
Closed eyes. So then you do this. Can you do that? Okay, so let's have, and you can do lashes if you like that. How cute. Good job. Alright, and now for the smile. Wow, that's a wide smile. So cute. Alright, do you want to draw a little buzzy line like that? Buzzy. What do you think is missing on the queen bee, Suchi? A crown? Yes?
Yeah, a crown.
A crown? Okay, so I'm going to draw the crown first. Can you draw the crown like that? Good job! So let's do a third one also, okay? So it's a nice little crown. How cool is that? Look at your queen bee! Good job! High five! Give me a high five. Good girl! Awesome! Are you ready to get painting now?
Yeah.
What colors do you think we should use for the queen bee?
Black and yellow.
Black and yellow?
Yeah.
Spot on. Good job. So you ready? So pick up your brush and let's do the yellow first.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. A little bit of the yellow. And I'm going to go over the bee. Okay? It's okay to go over the lines, okay? Let's go. Good girl. Ready to go with the black? Yes. Okay, so just go just inside those lines, those 2 lines, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, now you want to do the wings. Do you want to give a light blue color for the wings?
Yeah, light blue color.
Okay. So do you know how to make light blue color?
Yeah.
How? What do you mix? What are the 2 colors you mix to make a light blue color?
Dark blue and white.
And white. Good job. Ooh, look what we have here.
Very light.
Very light. Alright. Okay, so we can pick some color from here. Okay. And then slowly, without going out of the lines, just paint the wings. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So what color do you want to give the crown?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Let's go back into our yellow paint and finish off with the crown, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, don't go out of the line. Okay. Do you want to show everyone what it looks like now? I'll show
I
it.
don't think so.
Maybe later?
Yeah.
Suchi, now can you show the camera what your painting looks like? It's all dried up now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. So now we're going to go over it with a marker. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do that. So first I'm going to go over with this line. And then I go over like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it? Is it coming? Wow, how cool is that? I'm showing mine. Yeah? Did you have fun making the queen bee? Yes? So that's up with today's video. We'll see you in the next video. But meanwhile, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.